How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix R36S not booting up. So the number one most common issue on why this is happening is because you have a slow SD card plugged onto the device itself. So you want to try plugging in raw or fast SD cards like Samsung Extreme or SanDisk Ultra. From there, just turn on the console and it should work perfectly. Well, if not, you could also try charging it for a couple of hours, and then you want to leave it around 1 to 2 hours, making sure that everything works perfectly and your device is not grounded. From there, just turn on the device, and once again, you should be good to go. So those are the most common ways on why the console is not turning on. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.